Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with OpenAI, which unveils image generation API that is a game changer for developers and creators. Meta X Ray-Ban glasses just got smarter, live translation and AI chats are here for now. After OpenAI, Perplexity AI wants to buy Google Chrome. About Oppo launches K13 5G in India, which is beastly specification starting at just 17,999. Next, EU's new target, which is Google's X division maybe. Elon Musk's Grok AI gets a huge upgrade, multilingual, vision-enabled, and finally about EU which slaps huge fines on Apple and Meta, US calls it economic extortion. Moving on to our quiz section, in yesterday's quiz we asked you, who is the founder of Claude AI? Answer is Dario Amodei. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What is the full form of SIM? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news section, we have OpenAI, which has rolled out a brand new image generation API, a dream come true for developers, designers, and creators. This powerful API lets users create images directly from prompts using OpenAI's latest and most advanced DALL-E models. Not just that, it also supports in-painting, which means you can edit parts of an image by simply giving it a text-based command. What makes it extra cool now? It integrates with OpenAI's ChatGPT as a tool. So if you're using ChatGPT with GPT-4 Turbo, you can now generate and edit images right inside the interface. Imagine needing a product mockup or a thumbnail. Now you can describe it, tweak it, download it all within one tool. So this is a big step towards making AI-powered creativity seamless, fast, and extremely user-friendly. From content creation to visual storytelling, applications are massive. Marketers, advertisers, game designers, and educators are already exploring how this could cut production time and boost creativity. OpenAI's API is available to paying customers and is expected to become a staple for anyone working in digital. Moving on, we have Meta and Ray-Ban's smart glasses, which have taken a giant leap forward thanks to the real-time translation and AI chatbot integration. That's right. You can now wear your glasses and talk to Meta AI, get instant replies, and even translate foreign languages live right in front of your eyes. It sounds like science fiction, but it is becoming a reality. This update leverages Meta's advancements in on-device AI, allowing the glasses to understand, process, and respond to the user queries. You can ask it for directions, facts, or even a joke. The multilingual live translation feature could be a game changer for travelers or people living in multilingual society. Beyond convenience, Meta says this is about redefining wearable tech, creating a world where information flows seamlessly without needing to pull out of your phone. Now the big question is, will users adapt to having an AI assistant quite literally in their face? Privacy, accuracy, usability will decide how successful this product really becomes. Moving on, just when you thought AI ambitions couldn't get bolder, Arvind Srinivas, the co-founder of Perplexity AI, reportedly has eyes on acquiring Google Chrome. Yes, the actual browser. It sounds insane, but according to recent statements, the idea is to merge AI-powered search with web browsing into a seamless experience. Perplexity is already gaining traction as a fast answer-first AI engine, and this move, if it happens, would be a major disruption. Industry experts are skeptical though. Google is highly unlikely to sell Chrome, of course. However, this statement is not just about making a deal, it's a bold flex that puts Perplexity in the spotlight. The idea is to reimagine how people use the web, not just searching but understanding, summarizing, acting on the information through AI. Whether this is a PR move or a serious pitch, it's clear that Perplexity is chasing innovation and wants everyone to know it. Moving on, Oppo has launched the K13 5G in India and it's already being called a performance powerhouse at a budget-friendly price. Starting at just 17,999, this phone packs a Snapdragon 695 processor, 120Hz AMOLED display, 67-watt Super VOOC charging, and a 5000 mAh battery. Specifications that make it a total bang for your buck. The K13 5G seems built for gamers, binge watchers, and multitaskers. It comes with 8GB RAM, which is expandable virtually, and 128GB storage, promising smooth performance. Camera setup includes a 50MP AI main sensor. While it's not a camera-centric phone, it gets the job done for casual photography. What stands out is how Oppo is positioning it. Less flash, more performance. Design is minimal but premium, and the display offers vivid colors, great brightness for outdoor use. At this price, it's set to challenge offerings from Realme, iQOO or Redmi. Now the European Union is not slowing down on its tech regulations wave. This time, Google's experimental X division, famous for developing moonshot ideas like Project Loon and Waymo, they have landed in EU's crosshairs. While the exact regulatory focus is not clear yet, experts say it's unlikely tied to data usage, transparency or monopolistic behavior. This comes as a part of EU's Digital Market Act, which is DMA, and AI Act, which aims to ensure that large tech firms don't become too dominant or act irresponsibly. Google X, though smaller in public scope than core Google Search or YouTube, represents the innovation arm of Alphabet, and the EU seems to want accountability from every corner of the big tech. For Google, this could mean rethinking how its most ambitious projects handle user data or how they are integrated into the broader tech ecosystem. It is also a warning shot to other innovation labs like Meta's Reality Labs or Amazon's Lab 126. Now, Elon Musk's AI chatbot Grok, developed by XAI and integrated with X, which was formerly Twitter, it has become significantly smarter. It now comes with multilingual support and visual understanding capabilities. In simple terms, Grok can now understand and respond to prompts in multiple languages, analyze images and screenshots you send it. This makes Grok more competitive with ChatGPT and Gemini, especially for users on X platforms. Multilingual access means it can cater to a global audience, while visual capabilities open the door for applications like meme explanation, object recognition, or diagram analysis. The update also hints at Musk's larger plan to make Grok the central AI assistant for everything inside X, from news to ads to e-commerce. Will it work? Too early to say, but the tech is certainly impressive. Lastly, in a dramatic turn of events, the EU has fined Apple $570 million and Meta $230 million for violating digital competition and data laws. This is a part of a larger trend where the EU is cracking down on US tech giants, often citing the Digital Markets Act. The US is not happy. Officials called it a novel form of economic extortion, arguing that these fines are unfair and politically motivated. But the EU maintains that companies like Apple and Meta, they have been sidestepping rules and exploiting user data for years now. For Apple, the fine reportedly involves anti-competitive behavior related to App Store rules, while Meta's case involves data collection practices tied to its ad system. This clash between the world's two biggest tech hubs, Silicon Valley and Russell, could shape global tech regulation for years to come. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow with another one. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice for all the tech updates. Thank you.